Hey, welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Today, we're going to make some chicken bombs.
Hey, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Johnny E. from Philly Rock Radio.
And you're about to get cooking
with Frankie Meatball.
I'm Frankie Meatball with the YouTube cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball on the cooking chair with you. I'm Frankie Meatball every Wednesday in the show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun.
All right, Tim. Thanks for inviting me to your home. I love it.
Pleasure.
If you guys remember, my man came in second place in the tailgate competition, made these chicken bombs that were amazing. You saw them, and if you didn't see them, after the show, you'll see the link. Go and watch it, and then make it, okay? And while you cook, you listen to Philly Rock Radio. You know what I'm saying?
Good stuff there.
Good stuff. So, Tim, what are we doing here?
First, we're going to take the chicken.
Take the chicken?
Take the chicken, we're going to fillet it. Split it in half. So we're going to pound it out, make it like a nice cutlet. Like to get nice and thin.
You get them nice and flat, right?
Yeah, nice and flat. They're going to wrap around the pepper.
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
To pound your meat, you got to be angry?
No.
It's a happy pound.
It's a happy pounding. I mean,
put the chicken to the
yeah,
side.
put the chicken to the side.
We're going to mess around with these peppers.
Cut them open, gut
You gonna cut them in half?
Yeah, cut them in half.
You gonna cut the top off? Or you
Nah,
leave the tail?
you leave the top on.
Leave the tail?
Cut the insides out, give you a nice spot to put the cream cheese filling that we're gonna make. Now you remove the seeds, it'll take out a lot of the heat.
We got our chicken cut. We got our peppers cut. Now we're gonna make the
filling.
So now we're gonna make
The cream cheese filling.
Yes, we're gonna make that. I don't know what it is. I can't talk that, you know?
So what we got here is that Philadelphia cream cheese.
First things first, gotta be Philly, gotta represent.
Let's soften up.
Yeah, make it come to room temperature. It's easier to mix with the seasonings. So we're going to use 3 of his favorite pre-mixed rubs. We're going to use a nutty pecan barbecue rub. We're going to use a peach rub, and we're going to use a belly rub. Probably going to give it a nice mix of peachy and a nutty flavor from the pecans. It's going to be really good.
Start chopping up the cream cheese. We'll add the shredded cheese. I got a mix of cheddar, Colby, and Gouda. I like the Gouda, way the Gouda melts in there.
Oh, nice.
So add a little seasoning to it. We'll then blend it together with the cheeses.
Now it's, oh, I smell that.
Oh,
It reminds me of bourbon pecan pie.
Oh, yeah.
Which I'll put in the link since I mentioned it. Bourbon, everything tastes better with bourbon.
Oh, yes, it does.
And I don't even drink bourbon, but it makes everything taste better.
One that Bourbon Cowboy made, the pie that he made.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Oh, that looked amazing.
We did a video on it last year.
Oh. So I'm gonna blend it together.
See, it's up to you how spicy you want it. You could put as much or as little as you want. I'm gonna put the cap on. There's a couple little rocks in there. You know what I mean?
We're gonna blend it together.
Man. That pecan is very nice.
Adds a nice sweet.
I still smell that pecan. That pecan smells amazing.
The rub is inspired from my buddy Ray Sheehan. He also inspired me to make this. We made this together for his cookbook. Big Green Egg Basics from
If you
Master
look
Barbecue.
right here, if the camera could get that little look, that's what we're making today. You see that? Look at that.
So you got the cheese.
Ray Sheehan, he's the real deal.
He just opened up his restaurant, Ray's
Oh, look at these nachos, guys, huh? Look at them nachos. Forget about it.
Ray's Roadside Kitchen.
Check out this book. I was just stumbling through it. So where can we get this book?
You can get it at...
Is it on Amazon?
Amazon,
Hey, everybody goes to Amazon, right?
Yeah, Amazon's great.
All right, so we got our peppers clean, we got our cheese made, chicken sliced, bacon's out. So what's next, man?
So now we're gonna take the cream cheese filling, we're gonna stuff the peppers. Take the ones with the stems, we're gonna stuff them with the nice cheese
So
filling.
let me ask you, is it personal preference how much cream cheese you want.
I like to get a nice filling in the pepper. Got a little more. Now, you don't want to do too much because then it explodes and runs all over the place. Nice and even. Alright, now we're going to take the chicken breast that we filleted and pound it out.
So is there a method to this wrapping madness?
Yeah, I like to get the cheese, flip it over, and now wrap it around. Get the handle sticking out, the stem. And I'm going to trim it, get the bacon. Start from the top. Someone will take like 2 pieces of bacon, which is never a bad thing. Whoever complains about too much bacon.
Yeah. So pretty much you want to cover that chicken with all the bacon.
With this, yes.
The bacon goodness.
Then we're going to toothpick it.
To hold it in place. Make sure to take the toothpicks out.
Yes.
When you eat. You don't want to.
You don't want to eat a toothpick.
It's gonna hurt. I don't want nobody yelling at me. You made me eat a toothpick. I didn't tell you to eat the toothpick. I'm telling you to take them out. Take them out.
So it'll hold the bacon. You don't want to wrap it too tight because that's going to cause the cheese and everything to explode. Get it nice and loose. Now we'll do the other ones.
So this is where I'm going to tell you to do it and do it till it's all gone. We'll see you back when we're all done wrapped. We got these peppers stuffed. We got them wrapped with the chicken. We got them wrapped with the bacon. Now comes time to season them.
To give them like a nice dusting of the pecan. Goes well with the pork and the bacon. Love that on everything.
Now we're putting sauce on this stuff.
Yeah, we'll put sauce on the end.
I know we're sticking this in the smoker.
Yes.
Now for the people that don't have a smoker.
Yeah, you can make
this. Put these in the oven.
You can make it in the oven. Yeah.
What do you put them on, like
350, 325.
For how long?
Say about a half hour. You want to keep it on.
So let's go put these bad boys on. My mouth is watering. We're gonna go put them into the smoker.
So we got the smoker at about 300 degrees right now. Slide the tray in. Got a nice rolling smoke going. You want a nice high temperature. Allows the chicken to cook up nice and quick. Get the bacon nice and crisp.
Alright, so it's been about, what do you say, about an hour?
Yeah, about an hour and a half.
Hour and a half. We took them off the smoker. Now we're going to sauce them and throw them back. Now, sir, you got a technique with the sauce?
Right now I'm using Blues Hogs Smoky Mountain. Has a nice smoky flavor. Nice and thin. You know, just didn't brush on
Should
it.
we take the toothpicks off or you want to leave them in?
Leave them in so it holds everything together.
We're going to go throw this on the smoker and we'll be back. But take a look at these guys, huh? Look at that. Tell me that ain't a thing of beauty, huh? That bacon is cooked perfectly. They're sauced perfectly. It's not overwhelming like you said. Oh, I can't wait to sink my teeth in them. I don't want to bite them now because I'm going to burn my mouth. I don't want to burn my mouth. But we'll be back. We're going to let them cool. And we'll be back and I'll tell you how they taste. It looks nice.
Yes.
You did a great job.
Beautiful.
But there's one other test. The meatball test. Not the sunny test, the meatball test. I gotta have one. We got here. Take a piece. Let's see what it is. Let's go. Thanks for having me at your house. I appreciate it, my man. And great job, Link, man.
Thank you.
Amazing job. If you like what you saw, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that bell notification button to get notified every time I put out a new video. I'll tell you what, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and follow us on TikTok. Check out my guys, PhillyRockRadio.com. They play everything from the forefathers to the band mothers of rock. And I'll tell you what, I gotta go, he's gotta go, Before he goes, I think he's got something to say. You got something to say? Tell him, my man.
See you next time.
Forget about it, huh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.